Hello guys, good evening once again. This another episode again, and please before I start actually please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button and share. I got the Facebook page also, Naked Mixology, and then I got the Instagram also. Please and I thank you for the new subscriber also, and please guys continue watch my video. We got lots more coming in. Anyway, the drinks that I can make today is they call it Angry Wife. Angry Wife actually there's a lot of ingredients, because sometimes if your wife is angry, then try to make these drinks and maybe she will sleep, and quiet back again. So I got the Naseberry infused rum. Actually, this is the white rum. This is a long time ago. It's really nice now. And then I got the gin, the gold gin. And then I got the Creme de Mint green. And then the vodka, Finlandia vodka. And then I got gin, lime actually. It's really good gin also. And then Grenadine syrup, right? And then I got Angostura. I got the honey, not calamansi, not lemon, calamansi juice. I got lime, lemon, and then I got the flour again. So this can be all. And then Angostura, and then Sprite. All right. So this is gonna be shaken. So you have to shake it, mix all the ingredients. Ice on the glass, about a scoop of ice. So this is gonna be lots of ingredients. It's like more than the Long Island iced tea, or what you call. It's about 20 of the Naseberry infused. Really smells good. It's long time. You remember this. You can watch all my video and then you can see how I infuse that Naseberry. And then the Ginto Gin. This is gonna be Jigger. And then the Finlandia vodka, a jigger of this. So this is gonna be strong, somehow, you got arguments sometimes at night, then you have to make this drink, and it's good. Good to go. No more angry wife. So this is gonna be angry wife. And then the lime gin, 20 ml. And then never forget the Creme de Mint green, another 20. Nice color, eh? And then a dash of Grenadine syrup. That's it. And then a jigger of the Calamansi honey. And shake it. That's it. Ice on the glass. About a jigger. About a scoop of ice again. The color, nice. Then top with Sprite. And then never forget the garnish. It's a lemon well. And then again, the flour is on top of this. Here we go. This is your angry wife. And let me get some straw. And this is the straw. And before we end up with the Angostura. Dash of Angostura on top. And that's it. This is your angry wife. Cheers, guys. Happy weekend again. Enjoy. Please again share in my Facebook page, the Naked Mixology, and then the my Instagram, and then please hit the notification bell button, and then please again subscribe. If you have friends, share to everybody, and thank you so much. Voila, thank you.